What's up guys, my name's Eric. Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog. In today's video, we are going to Eagle Mountain, Utah to a top speed shootout event called Limitless. This event is put on by an organization called Need to Drive. They're actually putting this event on as a charity, and the proceeds will be going to Make-A-Wish Utah as well as Cars for Kids Foundation. All the proceeds are going to charity. There's a bunch of stuff going on, including a car show, as well as the top speed shootout, along with many other super hypercars, JDM cars, stance cars, classics, everything. We're gonna be checking out that car show, along with trying to catch some of the cars as they come back from their top speed runs. I'll be able to show you guys a little bit of the top speed run on the Jumbotron at the park. So I'll try and catch as much footage I can for you guys today. I'm actually currently driving my car with no headlights or turn signals. Hopefully I don't get pulled over, but I'm on my way to pick up my friend David as well as my friend Tanner, and then we are going to be heading out to Eagle Mountain. All right guys, so we just pulled up to Corey Ride Memorial Park where the Limitless event is going to be streaming. We did make it with no headlights or turn signals and didn't get pulled over. Passed a bunch of cops, but they're all busy shutting down the roads. Good thing it's not nighttime, so don't do this at home, kids.
What did you say his name was again?
His name is Ricky Bobby.
Thanks, great job.
StradMan since, boy, probably when he started with that Audi TT, and he's had some of the coolest cars. Super excited he's out here today.
Thanks, great job.
Good job, man.
Alright guys, thank you so much for checking out today's vlog. Make sure you throw a like on this video if you liked it, subscribe to check out some more content, and we will see you in the next video. Peace.
Cheers, Mike.
That, Mike.